Thank you. Good morning, Miss Mathis.
She's not there. Here you go.
Oh, okay.
Good morning, Councilman. Okay, good morning on the phone at 888-6033. What's your name, please?
Prince Grimes.
You're on the iPhone. Grimes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, who's on the phone? Are you on the phone as well?
No, I'm not on the phone at all. The only thing I'm on is Zoom.
Who's on the phone there at 888-6033?
Say it again.
No, I've already, there's somebody else on the line, Mr. Grimes.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. I'm tripping.
Sorry. Who's on the phone there? Good morning to you.
Hi, good morning. I'm sorry, this is the first time I'm on live Zoom.
What's your name, please?
Martin Galvin.
Okay, good morning to you. The first two people are the first two people on the 8:30 docket. Good morning, Ms. Williams-Law.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Miss Williams-Law.
Good morning, Mr. Goss.
Good morning, Miss Williams-Law.
Good morning, Miss Miller. Good morning.
Can you turn this light on?
And I never did this. I had years.
How you doing today, Judge?
Good morning. Good morning, Mr. Goldman.
Something ain't right. I can't see nobody.
All right, what's your name on that phone there? You said you can't see anybody.
Oh, the name is Anthony Gordon.
Anthony Gordon, good morning to you.
Good morning. Good morning.
piece of paper. Mr. Goldman, who's your client?
Pardon me?
No, I'm talking to Mr. Goldman.
Oh, sorry.
My client's Mr. Guzman.
Which one?
Guzman, I think he has a hyphenated name.
Ugaldi is at 835.
There you go.
Fifth name down.
Let's see here. The breakout room. Boss, want to speak to Mr. Goldman?
Here, Your Honor.
Ms. Miller, are you our house counsel, or do you have a client today in here?
Okay, I
Good
can hear
morning.
now.
I'm House Counsel this morning, Your Honor.
Okay, very well. Okay, is that James AO2S? What's your name, please, with the Detroit hat on? You got to remove the hat, sir.
Okay, I can hear now.
What's your name, sir? Good morning to you.
Good morning. How you doing, Your Honor? My name is James Womack.
Womack?
Yes, sir.
I don't know if Womack is gonna be in here. You may be in the wrong spot. Let me check.
Okay.
You have a middle name?
James Woolley Womack Jr.
And is that Womack, W-O-M-A-C-K?
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
I have a James Willis Womack. James
No.
Willie Womack. I have James Willis Womack. I have a James, okay.
My middle name is Woolley, W-I-L-L-I-E. Birthday 1965, November 8th.
Oh. James Willie Womack Jr. I don't see anything.
Yeah, you upset?
I don't understand because I got in trouble a while back, and I've done everything that they asked me to do, like those John courses, the morality course, and I paid fines and stuff. So I was supposed to check back in today to show that I did an HIV test.
You have a case number, sir?
Yes, I do. Oh my God. Ticket number was the letter U as an umbrella, 647-982-22.
Use 47. Oh,
Yes, 647-982-22.
982 dash what?
22.
I have 647-98222.
Yes.
It's supposed to be Judge Marlena Taylor's.
Because where's this charger at for this phone? I need this charger.
You're supposed to be in Judge Marlena Taylor's courtroom.
Oh, how do I do that?
You zoom in, let's get you the right Zoom ID here. You dial, instead of 4, you dial 360-337-0000.
70000. So that's
Go ahead.
360-337 and 4 zeros.
Correct. Have a
Okay,
good day.
thank you. Thank
Have a
you.
good day.
Thanks a lot, Your Honor. Have a good day too.
Yeah, okay, on Gotti's Way, who is Gotti's Way?
That's me, sir.
Yeah, and who is me?
Jovan Odom.
Jovan Odom, Gotti's Way, that sounds like some kind of gangster stuff.
No, that's just a video name. I tried to fix my name, but at the beginning, I didn't know how.
Jovan Odom, all right. Good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
All right, what about Kiana Kidd? Kiana Kidd.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. What is your, is that your last name, Kidd?
Yes.
You may be in the wrong place too.
Can you tell me where I'm supposed to be at? Because
Yeah.
last time they told me it would be the same judge.
All right, let's see. Oh, you were in front of me before?
I'm sorry.
Let's see. Get a default judgment for disregarding a red signal. You're next door, Kieta Stanford Jones.
Okay, can I have that room number?
360-435-0000.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a wonderful day.
Have a better one. Good luck to you. On the
Thank you.
Galaxy, hold on, I messed up. His name that wasn't supposed to change. Let's get going. Yes, sir. Please, good morning. Oh, on the Galaxy S10 Plus, the gentleman with the glasses right there.
Yes, Your Honor.
That's Ronnie, the other one next to you.
Darren Lipscomb.
Lipscomb, okay. Good morning to you. I messed up on the older.
Good morning to you.
Good morning to you. Lipscomb. Okay, very well.
Good morning, everyone. Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins. While court is in session, please keep your backgrounds quiet and clear. Sit back, wait for your name to be called. Also, if you're in a vehicle, there is no driving while court is in session. Also, if you're not talking, eating, drinking, gum, chewing, walking around, or smoking of any kind, including they probably dressed at all times.
Good morning. Okay, let's get going. I have, Mr. Goldman, your client just stepped in. Mr. Agnott, good morning to you.
Morning, Your Honor.
Agnott, did I get that right, Agnott?
You sure did, Judge. Thank you.
All right, I don't see your client yet, but she's not due to be here, I don't think, until, oh, she's got a review, so she hasn't paid any money.
She has not.
No, not that last I checked, she hasn't paid any money. Mr. Goldman, what do you want to do with your client? He's still in there talking to Prince Grimes.
Grimes, I did.
Yeah.
There's no problem.
This is the city of Detroit versus Prince
Yes, I'm here.
Liddell Grimes, case number SP 132-14611. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alexandra Miller appearing on behalf of Mr. Prince Grimes, who is present via Zoom. Mr. Grimes, can you please state your name for the record?
Prince Grimes.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a reading on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
Good morning, Your Honor. At this time, we would like to waive formal reading of the charges, stand Mr. Grimes mute, and proceed with a pretrial date.
All right, well, let's go to $0 bond. I'll enter not guilty plea on this behalf. Options, you have two options, Mr. Grimes. You have plea guilty. I'll pay $240. I'll dismiss the case upon payment. Or you can fight your hand at trial, see if you can do better. You can't do it first because if the offer is going to remain the same. You can speak with Ms. Miller in the breakout room if you choose to. What would you like to do?
Yes, I'll pay the $240.
Well, that easy, huh? All right, raise your right hand then. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down, please. Sure you don't want to speak with the lawyer before you go out like that?
Yes. I want to speak with the lawyer.
You want to speak with the lawyer?
Yeah.
Join the breakout room, please. Since we don't have any more lawyers, that's going to give me time to get some of these names up. Morning, Mr. Corporal Robbins. I'm going to, that's Galaxy, that's Lipscomb.
Yes, sir.
You're on that one. Rodney, what's your last name, Rodney?
Gauss, G-A-U-S-E.
Dano Craig, India Laws, and Mark, what's your last name, Mark?
Ozentowski.
Towski?
Ozentowski.
Ozentowski.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to
Good morning to you.
Ray's iPhone.
Right here.
And what's your last name, ma'am? Good morning to you.
Gentle.
Gentle.
Yes.
Ray. Let's see. That's Shanice Gentle.
Yes.
Then I have, your client, Mr. Guzman. Good morning to you. Do you need an interpreter, Mr. Guzman?
No, I don't.
All right, good morning to you. Your lawyer is here speaking. Then I have an iPhone up there. Who's on the iPhone?
Renee.
Pardon me?
Renee.
You gotta do it again. I didn't get it.
Renee Gilbert.
Gilbert, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Okay, is Mr. Wilson ready?
He's talking to the client now. That's what.
All right, let's move on. Is Miss Miller back?
I am, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Prince Grimes. Mr. Grimes, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, at this time, Mr. Grimes would like to avail himself of the offer presented by the court in which he would pay the fine and the case would be dismissed upon payment.
All right. Mr. Grimes, can you raise your right hand, please? Tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Yes, Your Honor.
Put your hand down, sir. You understand the max? Oh, did you go over his advice of rights, counselor?
I did, Your Honor.
You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines? You understand that, sir?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Counselor Miller went over the other advice to rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes, you did.
Did you understand those rights?
Yes, I told her I want to pay the money.
All right, you understood the rights, right?
Yes, I did.
And you don't have any questions about the rights?
No,
You know you're gonna give up the rights once you take this deal?
I know. I understand.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, let me draw your attention back to March the 1st, 2022 at around 2 p.m. in the city of Detroit, the area of Hubble and Plymouth. You may not know the area, but that's for the area where the allegation was made. Did you own a 2011 Dodge on that date, sir?
Yes.
Did you allow somebody to drive that Dodge?
Yes.
And you knew that person you allowed to drive that Dodge didn't have a valid driver's license, is that correct?
Yes.
All right. He thought about it for a second there. He almost lost the deal. Okay, I'm gonna find you guilty as charged, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, $240 fine. I'll dismiss upon payment. When can you pay, sir?
I can actually pay Wednesday. I can pay Wednesday.
All right, I'm gonna put it in here for Friday, have you back Friday morning to make sure it's paid. That's 3/10. Just come like you did first person, I'll get you out by Friday the 10th, March the 10th, 2023 at 8:25 a.m. It's paid, we'll dismiss the case and close it out, all right?
Okay, so I don't go down there and pay it to the actual building?
You can pay it right now today. Well, once it's entered in that, once you see the 240 in there, if you haven't paid, it's zeroed out up here. I don't need to see it Friday, but if you want to follow it through, then let's come back on Friday morning. Pay it in any did that kiosk, or pay it down here at the courthouse. I'm told you can upload that did that app to your phone.
Okay.
All right.
Yes.
All right. It's nothing. Have a very good day, sir. Good luck to you. All right. This is the city of Detroit versus 8 on utility. Case number SP 137-84131. Appearance for the record, please.
Hey, please, court, Your Honor, I'm Ezra Goldman on behalf of the defendant.
Okay. Mr. Ugali, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Dan Guzman Galde.
All right, today is the date and time set for trial in the matter. I understand you have a resolution to this comes through.
We do, Your Honor. If the court will recall, last time this was up, we adjourned it so Mr. Guzman could take a defensive driving course, which he did take and complete, and I did send that to the court. I can send it again if the court needs me to. But on that basis, the city has agreed to reduce this to failing to yield to a waste utility vehicle, which Mr. Guzman is willing to accept.
Okay, is that what you want to do, Mr. Guzman?
Yes.
I have failure to yield. I don't see waste utility vehicle.
It was Mr. Goss's idea, Your Honor. I was not real familiar with that one, but he said that it's a three-pointer.
Now, he didn't give me a code. See, I looked up fail and failure. I'd like to have the code, but we don't have any issues putting it in. Is that, you want to take that deal, sir?
Mr. Guzman, where are you?
Here.
That question was for you, sir.
Oh, yes. Sorry about that.
Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Mr. Gold, did you go over his advice of rights with him?
I did, Your Honor.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial, sir?
Yes.
You understand by taking this off, you're gonna give up that trial right?
Yes.
And Mr. Goldman went over your other advice or rights, did he not, in the breakout room or when you spoke?
Yes.
And you understood those rights?
Yes.
Did you have any questions about those rights?
No.
You'll be giving up those rights upon taking this plea.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, let me draw your attention back to August the 5th, 2022 at around 10:14 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Richard and Whitmere, sir. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle on that day?
Sorry, can you repeat that?
Were you operating a motor vehicle on that day?
A motor vehicle?
Yes, were you operating a motor vehicle on that day?
Yes.
Was that one of those Dodge Chargers or something?
Yes, correct.
And you were up in the parking lot of the community center doing donuts, sir? Or burnouts?
Yes.
You still have that Charger?
Yes.
All right, anything else, Counselor?
No, if the court's satisfied with the plea, I am.
All right, I'm gonna find you guilty of the amended count of failure to yield to a waste utility vehicle. 3-point offense, $240 fine. When can you pay?
Wednesdays.
I'm gonna put March the 10th in for you as well. Review March the 10th. We don't have to review it because it's not going to be dismissed. March the 10th, 200 is going to be the date you need to pay it, sir. That's 3 points on your driver's license. I guess those cars can rack up a lot of points. See what the insurance company has to say about that. All right. If there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Mr. Goldman, good to see you. Good luck to you.
Always a pleasure, Your Honor. Have a nice day.
All right, you as well. Okay, Mr. Angott, your client has arrived.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let's call the cases. This is the city of Detroit versus Aisha Shantae Lyles. Case numbers SP 113674 counts 1 and counts 2, SP 11665281, SP 11665283, SP 25738662, and 1839638481. Appearance for the record, please.
Thank you. Good morning, Your Honor. John Angott appearing on behalf of Aisha Lyles.
Ms. Lyles, can you state your name for the record, please?
Aisha Lyles.
Okay, today is the date and time set for a review. There's no money.
Yes, I will. I'm gonna have it. I can have it paid Friday.
Go ahead.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. Judge, if I may, the two tickets that we're looking, I worked with Ms. Lyles in the Operation Drive program in the Royal Oak District Court, and she's never had a license before, so she's subject to MCL 257-303 sub 1 sub G, which.
Oh, he went too fast.
Sorry, Judge.
7. Go ahead.
303 sub 1 sub G, small G. I'm sorry.
All right, and what does that say?
That says anyone who's never acquired a license in the past and gets 2 or more moving violations on their driving record is banned from even applying for a license for 3 years. It's a law that Judge Meineke in the District Court in Royal Oak has been trying for years to get the legislature to overturn. It certainly is draconian when you think about a second offense drunk driver having the ability to reacquire at least a partial license after a year. So Ms. Lyles is in that. Ms. Lyles is in.
Oh, I'm sorry. Unmute yourself. I'm sorry, Counselor.
I got it, Your Honor, for her. I see.
Yeah, I'm sorry, Counselor. Counselor, you're gonna have to unmute yourself.
Got it. Sorry, Judge. The bottom line, Judge, and I think we'll probably be in a better position to ask this court once Ms. Lyles has paid these tickets. There are 2 tickets that she pled to no operator's license on person. If we are able to amend those to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive.
Let me stop you, and you can save those words for Mr. Goss. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. Mr. Goss, are you there?
Yes, Your Honor.
Not you, not you, Mr. Goss. That is a Mr. Goss, but not that Mr. Goss. G-O-S-S, all right, G-O-S-S.
Oh, I'm sorry.
What I'm gonna do, Counselor, put you in a breakout room with Mr. Goss, and you can try and plead your case with the city. I'm not gonna stand in the way of whatever resolution you come up with for your client, all right?
That's great. Thank you, Judge.
All right, Mr. Goss, here, let me tell him to join the breakout room. All right, let's move on. We're gonna pass that matter until he gets some sort of answer there. Mr. Hill, good morning to you.
Morning, Judge. I'm actually assisting with House Counsel.
Very well. Let's go ahead. This is the City of Detroit versus Martin Galvin Jr. Case number SP 137-677-1, count 1-137-677-21. Appearance for the record, please.
Ryan Hill, on behalf of the defendant. Sir, state your name.
Mr. Galvin, state your name for the record, please.
My name is Martin Galvin Jr.
Martin Galvin Jr. Today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
Fully formally stand mute.
Right, enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf, giving your client a $0 bond. Blocking traffic, $175 will dismiss the misdemeanor. That's for the disregard of red signals. Want to take the deal, sir? You have an absolute right to a trial.
Sir, let me step in. The judge basically, blocking traffic is a 0-point non-intractable offense. It will not show up on any record whatsoever. It's $175 and everything else is dismissed. You understand that?
Pardon me, I'm sorry.
Here, let's put him in a breakout room with you, Mr. Hill.
Problem.
But can you play this in?
Join the room, please. Okay, on the iPhone, good morning to you. Can you unmute yourself? No, oh, that's the young lady on the iPhone again. But what is your name again, ma'am? Renee Gilbert? Is that Renee Gilbert? Unmute yourself, please.
Hello?
Hello, hold on a second. Is that Renee Gilbert? Unmute yourself, please.
Wait a minute, I'm losing. Hold on.
I got you.
Okay.
I'll let somebody else in tonight.
Okay, I'm back good.
All right, good enough. All right, let's go ahead and move on to Donald Graves.
Renee Gilbert's back.
No, I know, I just had to rename him.
Oh, okay.
Donald Bernard Graves. All right. Who's that making that noise?
Oh, sorry.
Oh.
Where's Donald Graves' file? Donald Graves' file, please.
Oh. Hello?
Hold on a
Hello?
second, Mr. Graves.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you. Got to get your file first. Donald Graves, he's on second page, 830. fourth name down.
Hello? Hello?
Hold on a second, please. Hello? Hello, we hear you. Warrant Officer Corbett, Officer Nelson, DNR Officer Devin Robin. Right. This is the city of Detroit. Are we done, Mr. Hill?
Yes, Judge, we're good.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Martin Galvin. Mr. Galvin, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Take advantage of the offer, pleading to the amended charge of impeding traffic, dismissing the insurance, will stipulate a probable cause.
Very well. I want to find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175, dismiss the misdemeanor. Mr. Galvin, when can you pay?
I'll pay Friday.
All right, when you say Friday, I'm going to put it in for Monday then, to pay it any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit, or I'm told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone or come down to the courthouse and pay it, all right?
Okay, sounds good. Thank you, sir.
Great day. This is the city of Detroit versus Donald Bernard Graves Jr. Case number SP 1386763, counts 1, 2, and 3, and SP 1386781. Appearance for the record, please.
Ryan Hill, on behalf of the defendant, state your name, sir.
Unmute yourself, Mr. Graves. Is he still here? Maybe
Your
not.
Honor, are you saying Graves or Gray?
Graves, Donald Graves.
They
All
say
right, he probably left.
They say he left.
Yes, I'm not. All right, very well.
Looks like he's back in the waiting room, Your Honor.
Is he?
Hello? Hello?
Donald Graves.
Yeah, I'm back.
State your name for the record, please.
Donald Graves.
All right, today is the date and time set for pretrial of the matter. I'm going to set aside the defaults on the civil infractions. Do you have a valid driver's license, sir?
Yes.
Run his driver's license, please. If he's got a valid license, Mr. Hill will offer him a expired plate, $145.
Thank you, Judge.
Dismiss the rest of the charges.
I got proof of everything, my insurance, the headlights.
Sir, the judge is going to run your license to make sure it's valid. If he does, and it comes back valid, he's going to offer you a non-abstractable expired plate. You pay that fine, everything else gets dismissed. It will not affect your eligibility or will not suspend your license. You understand that?
I got to pay for what?
All right, let me ask you this. Did you have plates on the vehicle at the time, sir? Good plates?
Yeah.
Let's see the proof of insurance, plates, and you said about a light.
All right.
His driver's license is valid.
Hold on 1 second. This is the proof of headlights and receipt. It was $190.
Hold on, slow it down.
Okay.
Okay, let's go ahead. Let me see the date on that. Let's see the date on that. Okay. Let's see what insurance. Slide it over. That insurance is expired, but let's see, slide it over to your left, to the left. To the right now. All right, do you have any valid insurance now?
No, I don't have that truck no more.
Do you have, what do you have? Do you have a car now?
Do I have a car now? Yeah.
Do you have valid insurance for that car?
Yeah.
All right, let's see some plates, some registration. All right, I'm going to dismiss the cases for providing valid documentation.
Hey, Judge.
He's got registration, he's got insurance, and it was valid at the time of the stop. He's got all his documentation about a light and everything. I'm going to dismiss the case, sir. Have a very good day. Good luck. All right. I already checked the light.
Okay, thank you.
All right, have a good one.
All right, thanks.
All right. Oldham,
I'm on the phone.
is that Oldham, Javon Oldham?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You have a valid license and insurance?
No, sir, I don't.
City of Detroit versus Javon Oldham. Case numbers. SP 1385661, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 6934482. Appearance for the record, please.
Ryan Hill, on behalf of the defense, sir, state your name.
Jovan Oldham.
Today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the case. Go ahead, counsel. I mean, the offer, I don't know what his driving situation is like. I'll close out. It seems like SP 6934482 should be closed, no, dismissed. That was in the record, dismissed by party without prejudice. So we'll dismiss that case. We're talking about SP 1385661, counts 1 and counts 2. The typical offer is failure to display, $240 fine. And it's misdemeanor on your record. If Mr. Hill can do any better, then you can allow him to speak with counsel on that. Where's Mr. Goss? What's your driver's license look like now, sir?
I don't have a driver license.
I'm saying, what is it? What's holding you up for a license?
I think I just got like some reinstatement fees, and I should be able to get my license after I take care of these tickets later.
When's the last time you've been to the Secretary of State?
I think last year, maybe.
Well, if you want to get some time to figure it out, I'll do that. But you heard another counselor. Have you ever had a license before?
No, sir, I haven't.
Well, you'll probably be in that situation that counselor's yelling at you for. He's got a failure to he has a license improper and a no insurance misdemeanor, counselor.
People use it.
License improper and a no insurance misdemeanor. What's his on? Failure to display, $240 fine. That's going to abstract as a moving violation. That's going to likely give you an additional suspension.
Mr. Goss, can you do an allowing or no?
What would be the reason to do it?
Well, I mean, brother counsel put it perfectly. Something I've always talked to my clients about: any 3 moving violations within a 2-year period, or two moving violations within a 3-year period for somebody that's never had a license suspends their eligibility for 1 year. I have a client that's eligible 2032 that we're trying to get his license back. So just by pleading to this will extend more than likely suspension. If we do maybe an expired plate and an allowing, that way he pleads to 2 of them, so you get your pound of flesh and he can keep his eligibility.
What case is this?
Javon Donnell Old.
Can't Zoom on your phone.
I'm fine with it, John.
All right, allowing $240 fine, dismiss upon payment, dismiss the other matter. You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, sir.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Well, why don't you do this? Go to the breakout room, Mr. And read him his advice of rights, please.
I will.
Okay, Mr. Odom. All right.
Hello?
Join the room, please. Hold on a second. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Aisha Lyles. Ms. Lyles, I've given your counsel an opportunity to speak on your behalf. Counselor, what's your client, what's the outcome gonna be? Join the room, Mr.
Judge, we're respectfully asking this court to allow a 30-day adjournment to allow Ms. Lyles to pay off her tickets. I think at that point, I might have a better opportunity to speak with some authority with the city attorney on perhaps getting what we need done.
April 4th, 2023 at 8:25 a.m. All right?
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, Judge.
There's nothing further. Have a very good day. Good luck to you.
You do the same. Thank you, sir.
I got everybody, whether you know it or not, I have everybody checked in that's in here now, so I'm gonna get the names as we go along. So just hold tight, and I got them in the order that you came in, so I'm gonna try to call you the best I can in the order that you came in. Gordon. Anthony Gordon. Anthony Gordon.
Yes, speaking.
Anthony Tyrone.
Hello?
All right, hold on, Mr. Gordon. Let me ask you this. Do you have valid insurance, sir?
I always did. I was not even driving the car. I don't even know why I'm doing this.
Well, you have to be able to show me some valid insurance. I'll dismiss the case. Are you called in on the phone?
Yes, I'm on the phone.
Well, if you can either come down to the court or find somebody to help you to zoom in, then I'll look at the insurance and we'll dismiss the case.
Okay, I sure have it. I have it with me right now. I'm with Underwriters Insurance. I had it then. I was with Arrowhead then.
So find somebody that can help you zoom in. All right.
Okay. How do okay? I do.
Zoom numbers 360-434-0000.
434?
434 360-434-0000.
Okay, just hang up and redo it.
Well, you got to hang up and go on Zoom and put that Zoom ID in.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Thank you.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Oldham. Mr. Oldham, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout. You ready to take the deal, Mr. Oldham?
Yes, sir, I am.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please?
Yes.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir, I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, I do.
You understand? You have an absolute right to a trial.
Yes, I do.
Mr. Hill in the breakout room went over your other advice and rights, did he not?
Yes.
Did you understand those rights?
Yes, I did.
You have any question about those rights?
No, I don't.
You know you're going to be giving up those rights once you take this deal?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what we said we will do today?
No, sir.
All right, let me draw your attention back to September 1st, 2022 at around 1:20 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Otter Drive and Sherwood Street, sir. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, I did.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, I was.
And but during the operation of that motor vehicle, did that officer ask you to produce valid driver's license?
Yes, he did.
You couldn't do so, could you, sir?
No, I couldn't,
Why is that?
because I don't have a valid driver's license.
Very well, I'm gonna find your client guilty of the amended count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, $240 fine. I'll dismiss upon payment stipulation of probable cause. I'll dismiss the other matter.
So stipulated.
All right, when can you pay, sir? $240.
I could pay Friday, sir.
I'm gonna put it in there for Monday. Be back Monday morning. If it's closed at 8:25, if it's paid, I'll close it out, dismiss the case. March the 13th, 2023 at 8:25 a.m. They're paying at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone, or you come down to the courthouse and pay it, all right?
So even if I pay it on Friday, I still need to come back on
No, you don't.
8:25.
As long as it's paid, you don't need to close, you don't need to pay it. But if I don't see it paid on here, then it'll be a failure to appear.
Okay.
All right. If it's
Yes,
nothing
sir.
further, have a very good day, sir. Good luck to you.
All right. Thank you, Your Honor.
You are. Doc note 10, is that Anthony Gordon? Is that Anthony Gordon? He's not listening. This is, I found you, Lenny, Kid Kiana, Julia Lenny.
It's Kiana Kid. They got my name mixed up.
All right. Are you free to leave, Mr. Old? It's the city of Detroit. It's here. Let's see. City of Detroit versus Kiana Lenny, aka what is that?
My first name is Kiana. My middle name is Julia Lene. They have my name backwards.
That's how you got here, because they put your name Lene as your
Yeah,
last.
my first name is Kiana Kid. I mean, my first name is Kiana.
Case number SP 1385472, counts 1 and counts 2, appears for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alexandra Miller appearing on behalf of Miss Kiana Kidd. Miss Kidd, can you please state your full name once more for the record?
Kiana Julia Lene Kid.
All right, today is the date and time set for a free trial in the matter. Do you have valid insurance and registration, Miss?
Yes, Your Honor, I do.
Can you show the court, please?
Here's my registration for my vehicle.
You have to turn your background off, ma'am. It's not gonna come through clear.
Okay, 1 second.
All right, let's see.
That is my registration for the vehicle.
Real quick. All right, I see it.
And then here's the insurance.
See. All right, I'm going to dismiss the cases for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, Ms. Kidd, have a very good day.
Thank you. You as well, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Lipscomb. Probably have to press *6 if you dial in on the phone. You did, no, you're on the Galaxy. No, you have to unmute yourself, Mr. Lipscomb.
Hello, yes, sir.
Do you have a valid license, sir?
Yes, I do.
All right, we'll see. Has Anthony Gordon ever come back? All right, let me put, Hill, in the breakout room with Mr. Gauze. Mr. Gauze, your offer, is going to be pleading to the open intoxicated motor vehicle passenger amended count. I call it a non-offer. It's a 2-point offense, alcohol-related offense on your driving record. We'll dismiss the other cases. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Hill. He can explain things to you, all right?
Judge, was it set for pretrial or trial today?
Let's see. Is it set for trial? It's set for pretrial.
Are all of them set for pretrial?
All of them are set for pretrial. I can give them a trial date if he chooses.
Thank you.
I'm gonna let you rule it.
All right, let's call the city of Detroit versus Darren Keith Lipscomb. Case number SP 128-38421. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alexandra Miller appearing on behalf of Darren Lipscomb. Mr. Lipscomb, can you please state your full name for the record?
Darren Keith Lipscomb.
All right, today is the date and time set for a rank benchmark. Good morning, Mr. Lipscomb. Go ahead.
Your Honor, at this time, we would like to waive formal reading of the charges and stand Mr. Lipscomb mute.
Enter not guilty on Mr. Lipscomb's behalf, give us $1 bond. At this time, I'm going to dismiss the case. He has a valid driver's license.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
There's nothing further, Mr. Lipscomb. Have a very good day. Good luck to you, all right?
All right, thank you, sir.
What is this? Zano Gray?
Yes, I'm here.
Zano, what's your first name?
Zano Gray.
Z-A-N-O?
Yes, last name is Gray.
Hold on a second. I don't see Zano Gray on the docket today.
I'm supposed to be in there Friday, but I didn't have no power.
He's a day late and $1 short.
Yeah, I didn't have no power.
Oh, okay, that's a good one, Mr. Gray. That's a good one. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus, is it Zano D. Gray?
Yes.
Zano D. Gray, case number SP 1289707, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alexandra Miller appearing on behalf of Mr. Zano Gray. Mr. Gray, can you please state your name again for the record?
Zano Desmond Gray.
Zano Desmond Gray, okay. Today is the date and time set for a show cause. That's for arraignment purposes, Counselor.
For arraignment purposes, Your Honor, we would like to waive formal reading of the charges and stand Mr. Gray mute.
All right, I'm gonna enter not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put in the chat the better driver's course. Okay, Mr. Gray, so you got an allegation of 16 to 20 over here. The city is not going to give you an offer until you take a better driver's course. That's up to you whether you want to take it or not. I'll set aside the default in it. And he's got a driver's license revoked.
Yeah, they say I'm not gonna be able to get none until 2028. So I mean.
Yeah, but it's not something. The killing part about it is, and I know, Counselor, these are allegations, but the killing part about it is, if I knew I didn't have a driver's license, and I'm not saying Mr. Gray is guilty of anything, but if I knew I didn't have a driver's license, I wouldn't be going 16 to 20 miles an hour over the speed limit. I'd be like I was driving Miss Daisy, so the police, I could fly under the radar. But, you know, I don't know what happened or what, that's just an allegation, so he's innocent until proven guilty. But you want to take the course, sir, or not?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna give him 30 days to take the course. I'll put the course in the chat. If you take a screenshot of that, take the course, come back and send me the course ahead of time, and then we'll see if you can plead to Mr. Goss or somebody, because if you get some kind of abstraction, that 2028 might go further on in the future on a driver license revoked. I'm going to give you till April the 4th, 2023 at 8:30. All right.
All right.
All right. There's nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. Good luck to you. Okay.
All right. Thanks a lot.
All right. This is the City of Detroit versus Anthony Tyrone Gordon. Case number SP 131-64121. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning. Good morning, Your Honor. Alexandra Miller appearing on behalf of Mr. Gordon. Mr. Gordon, can you please state your name for the record?
My name is Anthony Gordon.
Today is the date time set for a pre-trial. He had a document that he was holding up. Let's see what you had, sir.
Get
out the bed. Get out the bed.
Now you have to push it closer. You have to hold it up close better than that.
Wow. It's just.
Hold it still.
Okay.
That's 11. It's expired now.
No, this is actually it don't expire. I mean, my insurance is all the way up until May.
Well, that one says expired, doesn't it?
It said expiration. Oh yeah. It said the expiration date. Yes, I have to go online. I don't have a printer. Each month I have to print out a new one.
All right, let me see what you have. Are you saying that you had insurance at the time?
Oh yes, sir.
Turn it around again. I can see.
Okay, hold on. Let me get it right.
He needs some help. Ms. Jumbled, can you help him out, please?
Can you read that? Because we just got this little spot up here, just so I'm trying to get as much as I can in there.
Slide it over to your left.
Okay.
All right, what does that date say, if anybody can read the effective date? All right, I'm just going to dismiss the case. I trust he's got insurance, hopefully he does.
Yes, I got insurance. I have insurance, Your Honor. I keep insurance. I had it then.
All right, I don't know what happened, man.
I don't know either. I wasn't even driving the car, Your Honor.
So you let somebody drive your car and they didn't show the insurance?
No, it wasn't my car. I was the passenger. My leg, I'm in therapy right now because my right knee hit the door and it shifted my knee over. I'm in therapy for that.
Now it's getting all sorted. I won't ask any more questions or you don't say anything else.
Okay,
because I don't know how Mr. Gordon gets a ticket. He wasn't driving the car. He was in the passenger seat. This is your car, isn't it?
No, sir.
2007 Jeep?
No, sir.
Oh well. All right, I'm gonna save that one for next time. Have a great day, sir. Good luck to you. All right.
All right. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Boss, this is the City of Detroit versus Rodney Allen Goss. Case number SP 132-34511, SP 138-7733, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Ryan Hill, on behalf of Mr. Scott, state your name, please.
Rodney Goss.
Oh, Goss, I'm sorry. Judge, I spoke to him. Can we set all these matters for a bench trial? He's waiving jury.
Very well. That's what you want to do, Mr. Goss?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, very good. April 27, 2023.
April, let me write it down. April 27th.
April 27, 2023 at 9 a.m. There's nothing scheduled. Have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Okay. Hey, counsel, are you gonna be
Yes.
there in court for this one? The
I will
counsel?
not be. I will not be. It'll be somebody else. You'll be all right.
All right.
India laws.
I'm here. Good morning, Judge.
Good morning.
You got the kind of, it's after 8:30.
You're free to leave,
Sir, wash your face, brush your teeth, and come on, let's.
You're still on.
He's gone now too. APA Cole, good morning to you.
Ozenkowski?
Good morning, Judge. How are you?
Very well. Who do you have this morning?
Miss Mathis asked me to zoom in. So to check just to be sure. But she didn't mention a case name.
All right, very well. This is the city of Detroit versus India. Kiera Laws, case number SP 1257675. Counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1363383. Counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1363384. Counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1388673. Counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1391140. Counts 1 and counts 2. And the state of, strike that. Appearance for the record, please.
Ryan Hill, on behalf of the defendant.
Ms. Laws, can you state your name for the record, please? Where's Ms. Laws?
India Laws, state your name, please.
Hello? All right, let's move on.
Yes, can y'all hear me?
I need to turn, you need to turn your camera on now.
No, I'm still here now.
Good morning, Ms. Laws.
Morning, Your Honor.
All right, there's a time set for a show cause in the matter. Go ahead, Councilman.
Sorry, Judge, if it's show cause, if there's a warrant, we'll wait for him, we're going to stay mute.
All right, you're not guilty, then clients, we have to give client a $0 bond. I don't have an offer here. All right, do you have a valid driver's license, Ms. Laws?
No, not currently, sir.
I know there's no proof of insurance will prevent her from getting a license. All right, what does your license situation look like, ma'am? And do you have any other jurisdiction?
It's currently suspended. I just received a letter in the mail saying it's suspended.
Do you have any other tickets in any other jurisdictions or just the 36th District Court?
Just with 36th District.
I'm going to allow your client to pay the reinstatement fee up front, counselor. Have you ever had a driver's license, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Pay reinstatement fee up front, SP 139-11402. That's the no insurance, it's $45. You're gonna have to come down to the courthouse and pay that up front. I'm gonna set a pretrial date for April the 21st. That's gonna give you an opportunity to get your license reinstated, ma'am.
Okay.
All right, you understand that? You're on the no insurance. You gotta come down to the window downstairs at the cashier's window and give them that case number, no proof of insurance case number, and a civil infraction. And you're gonna pay that $45 reinstatement fee. After 48 to 72 hours of paying that fee, go approach the Secretary of State and see what needs to be done to get a valid driver's license, okay? Are you there?
Well,
I don't know what happened to her. All right, let's move on. April, I think that's right, she's back. Ms. Laws, are you there?
I'm sorry, I don't know what happened. You
All
got
right, so
disconnected.
you have to come down to the courthouse, ma'am, to the window. There's no other way that you can do it, but come down to the window, tell them I allowed you to pay the reinstatement fee on that no insurance civil infraction. I have a case number here if you need it. You pay that reinstatement fee, you wait 48 to 72 hours, and then you go approach the Secretary of State to see if they'll give you a license, okay?
Okay, can I have the case number?
Case number is SP 139-11402.
Really don't, I don't.
Okay, so I will be coming,
Pardon me?
okay, so I'll be coming down there paying for the reinstatement fee and the no insurance.
Yeah, you're just paying the reinstatement fee, the $45 for the reinstatement fee. That should free your license up. And then you go to the Secretary of State in 48 to 72 hours. If the Secretary of State does not give you a license after that, you can ask specifically what cases are affecting your license, and they should be able to tell you, all right?
Okay.
You have any further questions, ma'am?
So with those, are those being dismissed?
No, nothing's being dismissed. You come back with a valid license and we'll give you an offer then. Come back on April the 1st, 2023 is your next court date. We'll set it the pretrial date, okay?
April 21st, okay.
April 21st, that's my mom's birthday, so make sure you show back up.
All right, I'll be there.
Birthday, ma'am.
All right, you too. Have a good one.
You too. This is the city of Detroit versus Mark Ozenkowski, case number U63763-122. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alexandra Miller on behalf of Mr. Ostentowski. Mr. Ostentowski, can you please state your name for the record?
Mark Ozentowski.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. Mr. Ozentowski, your offer is going to disorderly conduct, $240 fine, misdemeanor morality class, and a testing, HIV STD, which will be private to you. You have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Miller. Offer is going to remain open, counselor. It can only get better for him. It can't get any worse, or it's going to stay the same. Join the room, please. This is the city of Detroit versus Shanice Gentile.
Gentle.
Okay, very well. Case number SP 133-4639, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 138-7063, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Ryan Hill, on behalf of the defendant, ma'am, state your name for the record, please.
Janice Gentle.
Okay, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. Do you have a valid license, Miss? Do you have a valid registration and insurance?
I don't have the car anymore.
Do you have a car?
No.
All right, our offer is going to be pleading to the improper plates, $240 fine, dismiss upon payment, dismiss the other matters with the stipulate upon taking the plea. I'm going to put you in a breakout room. You have an absolute right to a trial. Put you in a breakout room with Mr. Hill, and he'll let you know if you have any questions. All right.
Okay, thank you.
No file for this.
No, I'm fine.
Gilbert, Renee Gilbert. Unmute yourself, please.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good
Renee
morning.
Gilbert here.
You have valid registration and insurance?
Yes, I do.
Can I see the documents, please?
Yes.
Did all these tickets happen on the same stop?
Yes, they were.
I don't understand why they do that. Who wrote these tickets? Why is that? All right, let's see what you have, ma'am.
My proof for insurance.
Hold on a second, hold it there. Let me see. This is, very well. Let's see their plates, please.
The plate, well, I'm at work right now. I don't have the vehicle, but I had the registration.
This is the City of Detroit versus Renee Gilbert, case number SP 1385618, counts 1, 2, and 3.
Yeah.
No, strike counts 1 and 2.
1 and 2, yes.
5638, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Ryan Hill, on behalf of the defendant.
All right, Ms. Gilbert, can you state your name for the record, please?
Renee Gilbert.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. I'm going to dismiss all matters for providing valid documentation. All right, if there's nothing further, ma'am, have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Judge.
Let's go back on the record for Ms. Gentle. Ms. Gentle, I've given you an opportunity, ma'am, to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
My client's asking to set it for a bench trial, not a jury trial, Judge.
Bench trial, that's what you want to do, Ms. Gentle?
Yes.
All right, if the trial date's gonna be April 27th, 2022 at 9 a.m., all right?
Okay.
Nothing, ma'am, have a very good day. Good luck to you, okay?
Thank you.
All right, on the phone at 825-9704. What's your name, please?
Narrow Gray, Your Honor.
Graves or Gray?
Gray, Gray, Your Honor.
Gray, and what is your first name?
Gennaro, Janiro, middle initial P.
Janitro?
Janiro, Your Honor.
Okay, I saw that on the docket. Good morning to you. All right, Pepper. Generic.
Yes.
Colonel Pepper Gray.
Yes, sir.
All right, let's. City of Detroit's driver's license, please.
Pardon me, Your Honor.
Talking to Ms. Mathis. City of Detroit versus Gennaro Pepper Gray. Case number SP 12605-341. Appearance for the record, please.
Ryan Hill, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Narrow Pepper Gray.
All right, today is the date and time set for a show cause in the matter. Go ahead, Counselor.
As to the arraignment, we'll ask the court, wait for him when he's still mute.
Enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. I'm checking that license now. License is suspended.
Yes, Your Honor.
You want to get an offer for him, Mr. Goss? Mr.
Yes, Your Honor.
Let's see what it's doing. When's the last time you tried to get your license back, sir?
Your Honor, I was actually waiting to get this case settled because I was just down there 8/10 of 22 and paid the no proof of insurance ticket. And I was waiting to get this case because my license expired on my birthday. And I was waiting.
This has nothing to do with your license being suspended. But since you paid that no proof of insurance, I see that. I'm going to dismiss this case for being related. Dismiss, paid, related, civil infraction. All right? There's nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. Good luck to you. All right?
All right. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. What is Bradley? Tyran Bradley. Then I have Don. I think these people left. And then I have that number 740-8656. Press *6 to unmute yourself, please. *6 to unmute yourself, please, on 740-8656. *6 to unmute yourself. All right. What's your name?
Hello.
Good afternoon. Good morning. What's your name, sir?
Hey, my name is Adrian Odom.
Adrian Odom. Good morning to you.
Hey, I'm looking at you through YouTube some type of way. I couldn't get on the Zoom meeting.
All right. Odom. Omar Odom Jr.
Yes, that is me.
One-time fire. Yeah.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Mark
Ozentowski.
Yes,
Perfect.
gotcha. Mark Ozentowski. Ms. Miller, Mr. Ozentowski, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to the lawyer in the breakout room. Counselor, what's your client want to do?
At this time, Your Honor, Mr. Ozentowski would like to avail himself of the plea offer, reducing the charge of offer to exchange to disorderly person in conjunction with the other stipulations the court put forth on the record.
He's giving them that easy. Right. Want to raise your right hand, sir? What you want to do, sir?
Yes, sir. I want to give up that easy.
All right. The truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Yes, sir.
All right, you put your hand down, sir. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 90 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
You
Yes, Your
understand you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Miller in the breakout room went over some of your other advice or rights, did she not?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understood those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have any questions about those rights?
No, Your Honor.
You know you'll be giving up those rights upon taking this plea.
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
All right, so let me draw your attention back to, was that January 24th, 2022, at around 10.
Yeah.
And let's see. at around 10:26 p.m. a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Winchester and Exeter Street, sir. Did you have an occasion that day to come in encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you offer someone some money in exchange for an act of sexual gratification, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, is that you satisfied, counselor?
So satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, I'm satisfied. I'm going to find your client guilty of the admitted count of disorderly conduct. It's going to be a $240 fine. It's going to have a misdemeanor morality class. It's going to have testing, HIV, STD, which will be private to him. I'm going to give him the number to probation. You have an ink pen, sir?
No.
Well, you got a good memory, or can you get an ink pen?
I got it. Pen and paper right here.
All right. Probation's number is 313.
Yeah.
965-3414.
Let me repeat that to you, please. 313-965-2414.
3414.
3414. Okay.
All right. I'm going to give you 30 days to complete those. Call up probation. We'll write a referral to probation, and they can get you the testing, or you can go to your own. It doesn't matter where you go get the testing from. You get the misdemeanor morality class from them. Give me a good phone number from you, sir.
Yeah, 248-640-8275. Would you repeat that back to me just to make sure?
248.
They had all my information wrong on the paperwork.
248-640-8275.
Yes, and also my mailing address is totally wrong. They put some Detroit thing. They didn't even have my full address. I would like to give you my address.
What is your address, sir?
It's 25604 Mackinac, Mackinac Street, Roseville, Michigan, 48066. If you would repeat that back, please.
25604 Mackinac Street, Roseville, Michigan, 48066.
Perfect.
All right.
And the probation, Your Honor, the probation will tell me where to take the class and whatnot.
Yes, they should contact you. If they don't contact you by the end of the week, start getting in contact with them or call the court. We'll set something back up. I'm giving you until April the 4th, 2023 to have this stuff completed, okay?
Yeah, I'll go online later after work and I'll pay this fine today.
Very well. If there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Thank you. God bless.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Boom. God is good, buddy. God.
I'm always so happy about taking a plea. Man, but hey, God is good. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Adrian Omar Odom case Jr. Case number SP 1214959. Counts 1 and count 2. SP 1259898. Counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1375542. Counts 1 and counts 2. He's got these other cases that have been adjudicated already. I'm not even going to call those into the record. Appearance for the record, please.
Brian Hill on behalf of the defendant. Sir, state your name.
Odom.
Hello.
Odom. State your name for the record.
Hey, my name is Adrian Omar Odom Jr.
All right, today is the date and time set for a show cause. Go ahead, Counselor.
Wait for me, stay mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. I'm gonna set aside the defaults. He can take the driving course. He's on Zoom. See if he wants to take the driving course. If not, we have to get on an offer. Speak to him in a breakout room, Mr. Hill.
Sure.
He's in there. He's on the phone. Samsung SMA037U. What's your name, please? Samsung device. Unmute yourself. Put your camera on. It was a gentleman device. Okay. Golston. That's set for trial. No, it's not. All right, let's see what we have. Good morning, Mr. Golston.
Good morning, Your Honor.
It's the city of Detroit versus Thomas James Golston, case number SP 135-89381, SP 125-2193, counts 1 and count 2, SP 138-7542, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 143-6806, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alexandra Miller appearing on behalf of Mr. Thomas Golston. Mr. Golston, can you please state your name for the record?
Thomas Golston.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. Mr. Golston, you have, did you take the defensive driving course?
Defensive driving course?
Yeah, have you been offered that opportunity to take the defensive driving course?
No.
You want to take it? Mitigate some of these point offenses? Do you have a valid driver's license, sir?
Yes.
Run his driver's license, please. All right, we'll pass the matter until we get a driver's license.
Understood. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, very well. You ready on Mr. Odom, Mr. Hill?
We're ready on an offer from the court or from the prosecution, Judge. Yes.
All right, I'm gonna give Mr. Goss an ear on that one. I still didn't get the gentleman. Okay, let's go down to Jasmine. Jasmine, what's your last name, Jasmine?
Gates.
Gates, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Renee Long. Good morning to you. His driver's license, all right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Golston. Mr. Golston's driver's license is valid. Let's see. Do we have
Hold on. Oh, here, you got to me your driver's license. Sorry.
All right. So, Mr. Golston, based on these accidents and these point offenses, the city's going to want you to. Do you have registration and insurance?
Yes, I have registration and insurance. Yes.
The city's going to want to take you to take a defensive driving course. I'm going to put that driving course in the chat. That's up to you. But that would help you out on the offer that he's willing to avail.
Okay, I have got say something.
Say that again.
That the accident I have the police officer.
I'm not going to get into the nature of it. As far as I'm concerned, it's just an allegation right now. I don't want you to talk about the specifics of the case because I don't want you to implicate yourself in any way. What I'm saying is that the accident ticket's a point ticket. You have disregarding the red officer's signal. Oh, that's going to have to be set for trial anyway. Disregarding the officer's signal. That I was thinking that was disregarding the red signal. He does have a disregarding the red signal too. So you got at least two tickets that are points. I think disregarding the officer signal is a point ticket as well. Is it? Let me look.
Disregarding an lawful order of a police officer?
Yeah, I think that. Let me look.
I don't think it is, Judge.
All right. Anyway, there are some tickets here that have points on them. The city wants you to offer you an opportunity to take a driver course to mitigate some of that. Would you be interested in that, sir?
Yes.
Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in the chat. I'm going to set a trial date as well for that disregarding the officer's signal.
You said disregarding the officer's signal?
Yeah, that's one of the allegations. I'm going to set a trial date just so when you come back, take the defensive driving course. I'm putting it in the chat, and then come back and make sure you send me the course ahead of time, and then we'll get some resolution. What I'm going to do is who put their appearance on the record for this gentleman?
Me, Your Honor.
All right, he doesn't seem to understand it. Go in the breakout room and explain and answer any of his questions. I have a trial date for April 27th, 2023 at 9 a.m. If he's understand, if all his questions are answered, he doesn't need to return unless he has to ask questions to me, all right?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Join the room, Mr. Golston. Have a great day if I don't see you. Is that Samsung device? Can you unmute yourself and ask to unmute? Let's go forward with Gates.
Yes, sir.
Jasmine Marie Gates.
Yes.
All right.
That sounds on me.
Good morning. What's your name, sir?
This is D'Angelo Lindsay.
D'Angelo who?
Lindsay.
Okay. D'Angelo Lindsay. Okay. All right. He's a trial. I think I have this.
Got him. Okay. So is it me or is it him?
It's gonna be you.
Okay.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Jasmine Marie Gates, case number SP 1189576, counts 2 and counts 3. SP 11895772, SP 1385887, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1405905, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Ryan Hill, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Jasmine Gates.
All right, it appears that one of the tickets was paid. Let's see. That she paid $174 for a disregard, an improper expired plates. Yeah, Mr. Goss here. Along with that expired plates, these two went along with it, but they weren't paid. Set aside. Do you have a valid license, ma'am?
No, when I went to the Secretary of State, they said I couldn't get my license until 7/2025. And the tickets that was on the record, I paid those off. I mean, that I had to pay off in order to get my tickets, I paid those off.
That's probably where you made your biggest mistake. I wouldn't pay any tickets without getting advice from a lawyer, because you see what you've been hearing the conversations. When you pay those moving violations, it backs you up like that. All right, let's pass to the environment. There's no paragraph anymore. Failure to display an improper plates. She paid one of these. Yeah, but that's how you give one credit. Failure to display an improper plates, $240 a piece.
I thought I paid those. I think I paid like 20 tickets.
Just keep trying. You got a couple more. What's she gonna keep? All right, failure to display and improper equipment, Mr. Hill, $240 and $120. I'll put you in a breakout room with counselors so you can speak to him, all right?
Okay, you said Mr. Hill or Ms. Gates?
Mr. Oh, you're Miss Gates. I'm putting you in a breakout room with Mr. Hill.
Okay.
All right. No, Lindsay, I need to. No. I need Lindsay. Okay, who's on that iPhone?
Vershawn Love. I think it's me.
Okay, Vershawn Love. All right. Okay, this is the city of Detroit versus Vershawn Latrice Love, case number SP 1360051. State your name for the record, Ms. Love.
Vershawn Love.
Today is the date and time set for a review in the matter. Ms. Love, I have this case. I'm going to dismiss this case because you paid, but you got some other cases down here that you owe money on now.
I do?
Oh, yeah. These are
Okay,
old.
can I set a court date for those cases?
Well, I mean, we've already adjudicated it. I can put them in the record and give you time to pay.
Because okay, Your Honor, I thought that the other cases were dismissed if I paid this ticket.
Now, on August the 27th, 2021, you pled guilty to the allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. That was in front of me.
Right. And I was supposed.
Told you I would dismiss that upon payment. You never paid that. Then, let's see what this one. Then you had another one on June the 4th, 2022, that you pled in December 6th, 2020. You pled February 6th, 2023 to an allowing in front of me. And this is the one we're dismissing because you paid this one.
Okay. So,
And
okay.
then, you want me to continue, or are you good? Then you had some old cases that you never took care of. One of them, of which is holding your driver's license up, that no proof of insurance.
Right. Okay. I am familiar with that one. So, okay, moving forward, what can I do moving forward?
All right, let's call SP 11448511 into the record. What I will do is I will get you back to the original cost of the ticket. I'll waive late and reinstatement fee. That should get you back to go back to 240. Because it's 342 now. I'll go back to $240, and I will dismiss upon payment of $240. The other tickets you just got to pay, ma'am.
Okay.
All right, then you're gonna owe 240 plus 288 plus 258 plus $90.
Okay.
That 288 is gonna hold your driver's license up. When are you gonna pay this 240?
Oh, I just paid the okay, Your Honor. Can I please have like 30 days, please?
Of course.
And so as far as the other tickets, can I set up like a payment plan or something for those? Or do I just have to pay them in full?
You can set up a payment plan for all of these. If you come down to the first floor and set up the payment plan.
Okay.
You could set up a payment plan. You pay that 240, I'll dismiss that case. You pay that 288. You pay that 288, then you may be able to go to the Secretary of State and get a driver's license.
Okay.
There's nothing further, ma'am. Have a very good day. Good luck to you. All right.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Yeah. Okay. You leave so quick, you don't give me an opportunity to finish what I'm doing and then give you these files. Are you, I have, all right, all right. Mr. Johnson, good morning to you. Lawson, Gabriel Lawson, is he here? Is that Mr. Lawson there? What's your name on the iPhone, sir? Oh, he's not here. All right, Renee. She has a trial set. Officers were here, but they're not here now. Sharita.
Renee Long is here.
Renee Long. Let me get the officer here. Sharita, what's your last name, ma'am?
Lewis, Lewis.
I don't think that officer came from Burbank. I haven't seen that officer. Is it pre-trial? It's trial. All right, let's go. It's the city of Detroit versus state of Michigan versus Sharita Bentley Lewis, case number SX 392977771. Appearance for the record, please.
Ryan Hill, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Sharita Bentley Lewis.
There's a date and time set for a trial in the matter. Is there a Trooper Burbank? Trooper Burbank. Hearing no response, go ahead, Counselor.
Motion to dismiss, Judge.
All right, I'm gonna dismiss the case, no officer. There's nothing further, Ms. Lewis. Have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Thank you so much. Take care.
Yeah, you too.
Bye.
I'm waiting on Deppin, the DNR officer. I'm waiting on the city attorney to get some kind of offer.
I was going to break up to the attorney, and they advised me that it has to be the state attorney.
You need a state attorney?
That's what I was advised.
Okay, let's see. What is the allegation here?
Driving while license suspended and speed.
All right, we'll wait on the state attorney. Gistinall, Robbins was here. I don't see Gistinall. Ms. Long, let's give you a minute. And then Samsung. What was the gentleman's name on the Samsung device?
D'Angelo Lindsay.
D'Angelo Lindsay. Okay, that's D'Angelo Lindsay. All right, so we'll wait, and then let's get Mr. Lewis. All right, you ready, Mr. Johnson? Mr. Johnson, are you there? All right, I don't see a, do we have any kind of pre-sentence report? Lawson, Gabriel Lawson.
Yes.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning, sir.
All right, we got to check to see if we have a pre-sentence report. Did you interview with the Mr. Lindsay? Can you remove your stocking cap off your head, sir? All right. Did you have did you do a pre-sentence report, sir?
He had never got in contact with me. I told my lawyer about it.
All right. This is well. I'll wait on Mr. Johnson to call to get finished what he's doing.
I'm sorry, Judge. Can we pass it briefly? Sorry about that.
Yeah. No, I didn't see it.
Okay. Your Honor, if I briefly may.
Yes.
We had additional matters that came up in the breakout room with Mr. Golston, if we're able to briefly go back on the record.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Thomas Golston. I don't see his file.
You sent one of his matters for trial, Your Honor. So I believe, unless he had additional questions, it was closed for the day.
Let me get Mr. Golston. Okay, let's recall Mr. Golston's case. Go ahead, Counselor. What's going on with Mr. Golston?
Your Honor, so just firstly, due to just the nature of Mr. Golston being on Zoom, he was not able to obtain the driving information from the chat before going into the breakout room. So first of all, he would request that information be sent back to the chat. Additionally, Your Honor, the disregarding officer signal trial, Mr. Golston would put in the request for appointed counsel for that matter. Additionally, Your Honor, there was the accident ticket that Mr. Golston referred to. That case number is SP 12521932. I believe that has been set in default, Your Honor. At this time, I would request that default be set aside and that matter be set for the April 27th trial date as well with appointed counsel.
I've already set aside the defaults. I need a good phone number for Mr. Golston.
313-758-1727.
Okay, we'll put the request in for appointed counsel on there, Mr. Golson. What you need to do, keep your phone lines open. He looks exactly like my roommate in college, exactly. Keep your phone lines open because you may see, I'm gonna put in here a request for appointed counsel, and that counsel will likely call you from a number you don't know. So make sure you answer your calls, all right?
Yes, sir.
Any other questions?
Not at this time, Your Honor. We appreciate the court's indulgence.
Very well. You have any other questions, Mr. Golson?
No, sir.
It's 313-758-1727.
Yes, sir.
All right, keep the line open. Make sure you answer the calls you don't know. One of them is gonna be the attorney, all right?
Okay.
Have a great day, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
One more thing.
April the 27th, 2023. I did put the information to the driving course in the chat. So take a screenshot of that.
I got it. Thank you. I'm good to go now?
You're good to go.
Thank you.
All right. Which one? Move back. All right, where's Odom? He's in the room. Odom, he's needing the driving course.
He wants to forego that and just get an offer from the city.
Okay, here's Mr. Goss right here on Odom. All right.
It's gonna be limited access, 6 to 10, FTE, and property.
All right, limited access, 6 to 10.
FTD.
FTD and improper plates.
We'll take it.
I'll dismiss the improper plates upon payment.
He has to be taken out of the room,
You can
Judge.
join him, treat him as advice and rights, and let him know he has absolute right to a trial. Okay, we have Long. Your officers, I don't have any more officers.
I talked to Mark.
They're all gone. Brianna Long.
Which one is that?
That's this one.
Oh, and I forgot to put it out there and I'm on another court judge.
This is the Lindsay.
I need somebody to help me with it.
Hold on a second.
No, I can't, but he don't know my business. I don't know.
I don't want to hear you say.
All right, Brianna Long, she set for trial.
Yes. And then Gistinol, I don't think Gistinol ever showed. And then
Yeah, the officer for Gistinol. So he didn't show.
He didn't show. Then Robbins.
Robbins was on Gistinol.
No, Robbins, and then Lindsay, we're waiting on the city, we're waiting on the state attorney, and there's no actual ticket.
Okay. Let me get an offer for law.
Your Honor, this is Officer Deppen. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, good morning.
Am I make an offer or a civil in front of you while we're waiting for the state, or do we have to wait for the state attorney?
Well, I'd like the state attorney so she can, so you guys can talk about it. She was here this morning. Let me see if I can get her right now. Give me 1 second. I just usually pretty prompt. Limited access 6 to 10. 1 point. And then property. Takes it over to dismissal. There's no abstract. All right, that's that. They come out. Long, you have long.
It's gonna be FTD and expired plates. FTD and expired plates. Right. Pro ticket and Nelson, both here.
All right, long. Oh, let me put her in breakout room.
Yes.
Long. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Attorney Miller. Attorney Miller, her offer is going to be failure to display, $240 fine, abstracts of the driving record, doesn't have any points, but likely gonna be another 30-day suspension at least. And then
So I had the proof of insurance and the registration for that plate.
well, first of all, you have to turn the camera on so we can see you.
Okay, hold on 1 second. So I had the my proof of insurance and the registration for that improper plate.
Okay, so let's talk reality, right? If you had it that one time, you have 2 other times where you got pulled with the same thing. And all these accidents.
Yeah, so are those tickets old tickets?
Yes.
Okay.
So we're talking about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tickets. You said expired. One civil infraction expired plate and 1 failure to display, 245, and then 145. And then he'll dismiss the other charges, and then you still have a no registration you owe $180 on. Speeding ticket you owe $204 on. The defective equipment you owe $204 on.
Okay.
Those are too old for me. I'm not going to deal with you. So I'm going to put you in a breakout room. If you have any issues, you can speak with the lawyer about it. All right, and let her know. I'm going to put you in a Miller, Attorney Miller. Can you talk to Ms. Long, please?
Yep, absolutely, Your Honor. And just because this matter was set for trial, were any of the officers appearing today?
Now, that's a good question. There's 2 officers that did appear, Corporal Corporate and Officer Nelson. They aren't here now. So if there's any question we can either have them come back in and do it like that. But those were the only 2 officers that came in on those. And then the V113304117, that's going to be dismissed as well because that's an old ticket.
Okay.
But that's set for trial.
Is that officer still in the breakout room for private company?
Yes, he's here. Well, let's see. Who are we ready for?
Odom?
Odom? All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Adrian Omar Odom Jr. I've already called the cases in the records. Mr. Odom, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counselor, what's your client want to do?
He'd like to avail himself of the offer, Judge.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Odom?
I couldn't hear you, sir.
You want to take the deal?
Yes.
All right, now this is only going to cover the cases I call. You're still going to have a number of cases, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that you pled to and you never paid. So can you raise your right hand, please?
Yes.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
I can't hear you.
Yes, sir.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these misdemeanor offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
You say one more time?
You understand the maximum possible penalty for these misdemeanors are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
I can't hear you.
Yes.
Did Mr. Hill went over some of your other your advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand those rights?
Yes.
You have any question about those rights?
No.
All right, you know you're going to be giving up those rights upon taking this plea?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, anybody offer you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
All right, let me draw your attention back to June the 18th, 2021 at around 6:19 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Fullerton and Southfield Freeway, sir. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Did that officer ask you to produce, or were you operating a motor vehicle on that day, sir?
Yes, sir.
Did that officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
No, sir.
No,
No, sir.
Well, let me ask you this. Let's ask it a different way then. All right. You were driving a vehicle and the police stopped you, right?
Yes, sir.
Did you have a valid driver's license when they stopped you?
No, sir.
Okay, then. Is that the same difference, Counselor?
Yes.
Yeah, it does. Whether he asked you or not, you weren't supposed to be driving a motor vehicle without a valid license. I'm going to find your client guilty of the amended count of operating a failure to display a valid driver's license, $240 fine. But he's got the 6 to 10 limited access. That's a 1-point offense, $135 in the same instance. Will you stipulate to the basis that that's an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea, Counselor?
So stipulated.
All right, I'm going to find your client responsible for the amended count of limited access 6 to 10. Let me draw his attention back to. Join the room, Officer Devin, please.
Yes, Your Honor.
Let me draw your attention back to August 2nd, 2022 at around 6:40 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Margarita and Avon. Did you have an occasion on that day to be pulled over by the Detroit Police Department, sir?
Yes, sir.
Were you operating a motor vehicle on that day?
Yes, sir.
Did that officer ask you to produce valid registration for that vehicle?
Yes, sir.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No, sir.
Why is that?
It was a rental car, and the plates on the rental car was expired.
That's. And you rented this car from an actual rental car place?
Yes, sir.
Or that wasn't one of those neighborhood rentals, was it?
No, sir.
That's. I don't know what to say about that.
I
Did you
didn't
show?
either.
Did
But
you rent the car?
No, sir. The problem after that matter right there, that's when I just been trying to get my license back. So now I just want to take whatever I did wrong, I want to take it and start paying on it, and I just want to get on with my life and get my license back and get everything together. So whatever I got to do, I'm willing to do it.
What do you have to say about that, Counselor?
Judge, I gave him some advice. I told him I thought he should take this for trial, and I also told him he should take the driver's improvement course. And his response to me was he just wants to plead and get it over with. So I don't.
All right. Well, let him plead to get it over with. All right. So he indicated that the plates were expired on the vehicle, and that's it. We'll find him guilty of unregistered untitled. I will dismiss that on $240 fine. Have you ever had a driver's license, sir?
Yes, sir.
Well, you're not going to be able to get a license with these two pleas for a while anyway, because this is the same nature that you're talking about. Even though he's had a driver's license, he doesn't have one now, and he's pleading a failure to display and the two moving violations. So it stipulates the probable cause. I'll dismiss the other three matters.
So stipulated.
All right, sir. $240, and $135. When can you pay?
I pay like around the 15th.
The 15th. I'm just going to give him 30 days because I don't know if I'm not confident that you're going to pay.
I'm going to pay, sir.
Well, you have a lot of other money. You have a lot of other monies in here that you haven't paid.
I know it because I just came down there basically to pay him. That's how I got my court dates and stuff set. When I came down there to pay the money, they said the same thing at the glass, like, you don't want to just pay no money, you want to go to court first. So now I'm at court. And whatever I owe, I might not be able to pay it in full. I'm gonna have to pay it in portions, but I just wanted to be warrant free. I wanted to be warrant free, and I wanted to know what it is that I owe, and then once I could pay it down to zero, I just won't drive no more. I'm not driving no more until I get this all taken care of.
All right, if there's nothing further, so I gave you until April the 4th, 2023 to pay it. That's your next court date at 8:25 a.m. All right.
All right, I got another court date.
Well, if just to make sure you pay it so we can close that one matter out and dismiss it.
Oh, okay. All right.
All right, sir.
April
the 4th, 2023 at 8:30.
April 4th, okay.
All right, have a good day, sir. All right, we have okay, let's call the city of Detroit versus Gabriel Lawson. Case number Z8086491. Appearance for the record, please.
Ryan, on behalf of the defendant. Oh, sorry. Sorry, Vassal.
No problem. May it please on the court, Vassal Johnson II, on behalf of Mr. Lawson, P72130, President Zoom.
Mr. Lawson, good morning. Good morning, Mr. Johnson. Can you state your name for the record, Mr. Lawson?
Gabriel Lawson.
All right, today is the date and time set for sentencing, but, I have a note here that indicates that, Mr. Lawson didn't show up for his pre-sentence report, so
Oh, I didn't know that.
we're gonna
He
have to
never
reschedule.
contacted me.
Well, you gotta contact somebody then.
Okay.
So let's reset it out. I hope they can get it done. Let's just set it out for 45 days.
What's that, Your Honor?
Let's just set it out for 45 days.
Okay.
Sentencing at 10 a.m. on April the 18th, 2023. What is your, give us a good number for you, Mr. Lawson.
734-741-3995. Your Honor, will I be getting a number to contact somebody so that I can just go to them?
313.
Let me get an pen. Okay, I'm listening. What is it?
313-965-3414.
313-965-3413.
3414.
3414. Got it.
So Judge, you want Mr. Lawson to call them?
Yeah, well, we're gonna send a referral.
Okay,
He doesn't hear anything before the end of the week, then he needs to get in contact with somebody.
gotcha. Okay.
All right, April 18th, 2023 at 10 a.m. sentencing.
April 18th. Okay.
All right.
Thank you, Judge.
Have a very good day. Good luck to both of you.
You too. Thank you. See you, Gabriel.
I can go in?
Yes.
All right, Mr. Lindsay, once we get an offer for you, we will put you in a breakout room and give you a chance to speak with the lawyer about the offer.
Okay.
What about Ms. Long? Are we ready on Ms. Long?
We are ready on Miss Long, Your Honor.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Renee Alicia Lizette Long. Case number SP 13511. No, strike that. SP 1358115. Counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 790752. Counts 1 and counts 2. SP 810261. Counts 1 and counts 2. We have 17-38-1228. Counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alexandra Miller appearing on behalf of Miss Brene Long. Miss Long, can you please state your name for the record?
Brene Long.
And then we call B11-330-417 into the record as well. All right, today is the date and time set for a trial in the matter. I did have, and I let Officer Quirk in the room, and I let Officer Nelson in the room. They're not here now, but the offer was availed to Ms. Long. If there is if there's something to necessitate them coming back, we'll make sure that happens. Nevertheless, what was the offer?
Your Honor, from my recollection, the offer was failure to display a $240 fine, abstracting to the driving record with a possible 30-day suspension. Just for clarification purposes, Your Honor, with the number of matters that Ms. Long has before you today, which count would be the failure to display and would the remainder be dismissed?
Well, she indicated that she has a license. Or no, she indicated that she has proper documentation. But that was the one that we're probably talking about, the newer case. SB 1358115. Counts 1 and counts 3 were the ones that, but if she doesn't feel comfortable pleading to those cases, because she indicated that she has or had documentation, and we'll find another case for her to plead to.
Okay, understood, Your Honor. At this time, Ms. Long would like to avail herself of the plea offer by the court for failure to display. And I have gone over the advice of rights with Ms. Long. And then per the record before the breakout room, we would request that the case V11330417 be dismissed as well.
All right, I'm gonna dismiss V1330417. Dismiss that for no officer, and 17381228 counts 1 and counts 2. I'm gonna dismiss those 2 for no officer. Because Officer Crawford no longer works, is retired, and then Officer Fletcher, I guess that's gonna be Fletcher. They did not appear this morning. So I'll grant the motion to dismiss those cases. As for the other cases, Ms. Long, you were saying that you had proper documentation for this vehicle. This
For the
2011.
yeah, that Explorer. Yeah.
Did you have that documentation at the time you got pulled over?
No, I didn't. I had to, my place was invalid, so I had to get my insurance and stuff together.
All right, so there's no consequence of taking this deal, making a factual basis. All right, you want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes.
All right. Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this misdemeanor offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Miller in the breakout room went over your other constitutional rights, did she not? Or your other advisory rights, did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes, I did.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, I don't.
As any, you know you're going to be giving up those rights upon taking this plea?
Yes.
Anybody offer you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, let me draw your attention back to June the 2nd, 2022 at around 3:43 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Kenmore and 7 Mile Street, ma'am. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
On that day, were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
That officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license.
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you, ma'am?
No, I couldn't.
And why is that?
Because my license is suspended at the moment.
Very well, I'm gonna find your client guilty of the amended count of failure to display, $240 fine. And it's for the place where you stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for the responsible plea counselor on your client's behalf.
I will, Your Honor, so stipulated.
With that stipulation, I'm gonna find your client responsible for the expired plates, $145. With stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss the other matters. Stipulates the probable cause, counsel, for the other matter?
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated. Apologies.
Sorry, 240. I'm gonna waive the warrant fees. I'm gonna hold you responsible to pay the reinstatement fee. $240 plus 145. When can you pay it, ma'am?
Your Honor, I did have the opportunity to speak with Ms. Long about when she'd be able to pay. She was recently unemployed and has just started a childcare job. She has not received a paycheck yet. Therefore, we are requesting a reasonable amount of time for Ms. Long to be able to pay.
I'm gonna give your client May the 4th, all right?
Okay.
That way you can get on your feet, all right, Ms. Long?
Okay, thank you.
Have a great day, ma'am. Good luck to you.
You too.
Okay, this is the city of Detroit versus D'Angelo Lamont Lindsay. Now strike that. This is the state of Michigan versus D'Angelo Lamont Lindsay.
I'm here, sir.
N786-416211. We'll also call SX11058131. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Cole on behalf of the people, P318888. Your Honor, I have not had a chance to speak with House Counsel. I didn't know, I did have a chance to speak with the DNR officer, Deppen.
All right, what's gonna be the officer? Officer Deppen, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning. Conservation Officer Joseph Deppen.
All right, good morning to you. What's gonna be the offer, APA Cole?
On the count one, the NOP, we are offering NOP because he still does not have a license and it's been over a year and a half. So it'd be amended to NOP, but the DNR conservation officer was kind enough to agree to dismiss count two if he pleads to NOP.
Okay, so what I have here is the SX11058131. Mr. Long, Mr. Lindsay has satisfied that, and that should be closed out.
Because we have
SX11058131.
I'm looking at N786416211.
That is the case that we're here now today, that Conservation Officer Devin set for trial.
Correct.
Now, are you saying that you want to dismiss this case?
No, just
the other case.
I'm sorry. What we would agree to do is on count one, which is an unlicensed, suspended driving on suspended license.
I don't see a count one and count two, Counselor. All I see, and as a matter of fact, I don't have anything. I have nothing but an ROA here. I don't have an actual ticket. So that's one issue. Secondly, I don't see a count one or a count two. I just see the count one being the no license. I'm assuming that Conservation Officer Deppen had issued a speeding ticket or some other civil infraction as well. And if that is the case, it never got here to the court proper.
Do you, Officer Deppen, do you happen to have the ticket?
I do. Did you like me to send it to your email?
Yes, and you could also send it to the judge. Is that all right, Judge? Is that all right with you, Judge?
Yeah, I mean, that's fine. If we have an actual complaint, we can proceed.
Yeah.
But we're only going to proceed on what's in the system here, and that's on the driving while license suspended.
Okay, and that's the one that we're agreeing to make it a no operator's permit, but he could also email you that other ticket.
So,
and we were going to dismiss the speeding one anyway. But he's going to email it to me and you. I'll email it to you.
Do you have a valid license, Mr. Lindsay? Can you unmute yourself, please? Run his driver's license. I don't have any. I don't have any actual ticket or file why don't you do this? I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. Speak to Mr. Hill. Let Mr. Hill speak to the APA Cole on your behalf, and then I'm gonna get you in a breakout room with Mr. Hill, and whatever he comes up with, we'll let you speak to them. All right, Mr. Lindsay. All right, join the breakout room, and you're free to get in there too, Officer Devin, and speak to Mr. Hill.
Can you email your Officer Deppin that ticket, please? Yes, I just got it. Thank you. I think it's breakout room 5, Judge.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. How do I join the breakout room?
You're gonna wait until Mr. Hill comes out. All right, let him speak to him. He knows what you need, and he knows.
Okay, I'm sorry for inconvenience. That's probably why you didn't see them in your computer. The only one I had was the one for Belle Isle, if I'm not mistaken.
Say that again.
I said the ones that y'all was and the one you have in your computer is the one for Belle Isle.
I can't understand anything you're saying.
I said the tickets that y'all had and that they was talking about, I paid those off already. So the ones that you see is the one for Belle Isle I had already. And the reason why I don't have my license because I was trying to pay my tickets off first before I proceed to get my license.
Well, you need to go try to get a license. It says you're eligible, sir. You bring back a valid.
I just got a letter in the mail saying
Listen to me, please. You bring back a valid driver's license, I'll dismiss the case.
Okay.
You want to take time and do that?
Yes. The reason why I got my license because I had caught COVID. I'm in the hotel room right now.
And you don't have very good connection. That's why you keep going in and out. That's why I can't understand you. But how is your health doing now?
This is the third day since I had it.
All right. Well, we wish you the best of luck on that. All right, I'll do this. I'll let them know that. How long is it going to take you to get a license?
Well, my job is required me to be out of job for 10 days. So I guess when I get better for 10 days, after 10 days, I guess I go there and get it.
All right. I'll give you 30 days to get a license.
Thank you, sir.
I'm still going to let you speak to Mr. Hill, and I'll let APA Cole know and Officer Deppin know. Let me see. You're saying that you paid what?
I did the drive.
You just paying these tickets. You got points on your license. Dismissed by party. Okay, that was dismissed. That was paid. Glad guilty to take care of that. He pays his tickets. That was dismissed.
I also did the driving course also too.
You did do the driving course?
Yes, I sent you the certificate a while back in your email.
All right, let's do that. That changed the game too. Lindsay. Under what name did you send it?
Was it on your email? I gotta look at my email to check it. My name is. Check it. Okay, hold on.
I mean, what's your email address?
I think I sent it to Endeavor, ENDEAVOR 211.com. I think.
Kevin Oldham, no. All right, listen, here we go. Are we back? Mr. Hill?
Yes.
Go in there and get APA code. What I'm gonna do is Mr. Lindsay has taken a lot of steps to get his license. And I'm gonna allow him that time to do so. Let's go in there and get the APA code and officer death now. They can't tell you that COVID's not real, can they, Mr. Lindsay?
Excuse me?
They can't tell you that COVID is not real, can they?
Right, this is my second time, actually. I had both of my COVID shots.
All right, let's go back on the record with D'Angelo Lamont Lindsay. What I found out from Mr. Lindsay, APA Cole, and Officer Devin is that Mr. Lindsay he's eligible to get a valid driver's license now, and he indicates that he's in COVID. He's actually on the job, but he's living in a hotel now because he is quarantining himself. So this is his third day. He indicates that he would like an opportunity to be able to come back and bring a valid driver's license. I typically would dismiss, if you don't have any objection to, if he brings in a valid driver's license, we'll dismiss this no ops or driving while license suspended case. He pays, he doesn't owe the court any money. He's paid all his tickets. And I asked him why he didn't get a license a while ago or when he was eligible, and he said he was in, what did he say? I forget. You were waiting to clear this matter up. That's what you said, right? So,
well, Your Honor, I was just going to say that we checked the lien, and he also has some outstanding warrants in other jurisdictions. So,
I don't see that. I don't see that.
Well, I just had Officer Deppen check on that because I was, if he would bring in a valid license, but when we found out there were also $800 worth of tickets in what was that, Officer Deppen? Which
43rd Hazel Park.
So I have his license here in front of me. Where is his license? So I see Detroit, no proof of insurance. He's paid that. He's eligible. The reinstatement date was 3/22/2020. He had another ticket, Detroit. And I'm going from the back up. He was eligible for failure to comply for disobeying a stop sign. He became eligible 10/1/2021. 43rd, you said Hazel Park.
Yes.
Yes, Ron.
Okay. He's eligible 10/1/2021. What it may be is that these may be old cases, right? And here's what happens. Back in on October the 1st, 2021, the Secretary of State has basically, even though he owes money to these jurisdictions, has basically waived those costs in their eyes or makes him eligible for a license. So what I see right here, he's eligible for a license. Now, that doesn't preclude you from owing Hazel Park or any other jurisdiction that you may owe, or still have to take care of those cases. But you are eligible for a license, and if you come back on April the 4th, 2023 at 8:30 with a valid driver's license, I'll dismiss the case, all right?
Your Honor, what about count 2? Did you see the actual ticket I emailed to you?
Yeah, the only thing is the count 2, I didn't see it yet. I'll look it up.
I sent the ticket to you.
Yeah, but it's nothing I can do because I'm not the keeper of the records. I have no way of, and I don't see the ticket APA code.
Oh, I emailed it to you. You want me to?
It hasn't been entered, right, Judge? I mean, that's my understanding. Yeah.
Yeah, it has to be entered. I don't do any of the entries. That goes downstairs, and somewhere in the, somewhere they never entered that into the system. So it happens sometimes. You see count 1 and 2 and 3, and the count 3 doesn't get into the system, or sometimes count 2 doesn't get into the system. All right, I have a, okay, I did see that. Okay. Yeah. Well, we can, yeah, that count 2 never got into the system. You got it, you see it? I'll send it to you.
Well, the officer was going to dismiss it if there was a plea on it, but.
Well, I'll tell you what, I'll tell you this, sir. You got to slow down. There's no question about that. If that allegation is true, I'll forward that to you. I just disagree. If everybody's in agreement, if he's willing to go get a valid driver's license and bring a valid driver's license back, are you willing to dismiss the case or not?
I'd like to defer to the trooper on this. I mean, to the conservation officer.
I'd be okay with that, Your Honor. He's able to come back with a valid license. Yes.
All right, bring a valid license in, sir. But you're getting a break. Well, you got a break simply because that other incident is not in the didn't ever make it to the record. It seems well, we didn't. I don't know if obviously the conservation officer Devin has done what he's supposed to do, because we at least got an ROA. That tells me that the ticket made it here to the court, and somebody transposed that ticket into an ROA. That's why I'm able to see this one case. But they neglected to put the other case in there, and then neglected to get a file so that the actual ticket is in the file. So I don't have anything but ROAs, and that's what Ms. Mathis just printed for us for today. But nevertheless, April the 4th, 2023, you bring a valid driver's license in, the officer is willing to dismiss the case. You got to thank the officer because you were going over double the speed limit, sir, based on what he had allegation and reads. You have to slow down.
Yeah, especially this is Belle Isle in the summer too. You got a lot of people walking and bicycling, and you got to be careful.
You want to hurry up and get on to the strip when everybody else is trying to get where they want to go too. And you're driving like a maniac.
Yeah, that's what.
Look at your lawyer. Look at your lawyer. All right. I hope your health gets better. Conservation Officer Devin, I appreciate you being here. You be safe out there. And Mr. Lindsay, you come back on April the 4th. Bring that valid driver's license. We'll dismiss. And
April 4th.
That seems like April the 4th. All right, at 8:30 a.m. Okay. 8:30 a.m. Excuse me.
Thank you, Judge. Thank you, Officer Deppin.
Connor,
have a great day. All right, Attorney Miller, I appreciate you being here. Thank you for your advocacy, and always, Attorney Hill, APA Cole, appreciate you, Ms. Williams Long,